Good evening. We are at Mills Marina today, just camping for a night. Just got the van set up, so we're just going for a little wander. So we are camped just round the corner from this factory here. You may think, oh, what's the good about that? Isn't that a bit of a grim old factory? This is not a grim old factory. It's the Swizzels factory where all the fizzy sherbet sweets are made. As Hazel just said, it's a good job we haven't got smelly vision. All you can smell around here is Swizzels fizzy sweets. Spent a lot of my pocket money on them. In my childhood, Love Hearts, Fizzers, the sort of sherbet lollipop as well. Trying to resist at the moment. Anyway, just going for a little wander along the canal. Yes, that was a Only Fools and Horses narrowboat that you just saw. Someone's absolutely butchered a Reliant Robin, I think. Obviously very keen on Del Boy and Rodney. The light's fading a bit now. Just going to wander back to the camper van. Most pleasant evening. disaster here this morning at New Mills Marina, but I think we'll be alright, and we've got heating in the van, so quite cosy in there. So the purpose of this trip is to come and deliver some Christmas presents. Plan A, which wouldn't involve this, was thwarted. I wonder if you can guess what thwarted Plan A? Yes, indeed. Anyway, this is Plan B, so we're just going to drop a few presents off today and then head back to Suffolk. Maybe stop somewhere on the way. But now it's time for some breakfast, I think.